Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the pepper ball to a transition effect, and you can find transition. This is a pepper ball transition effect, and this is a new pro effect. You have to join pro to be able to use this effect, and you can see for the final result after combined with the video effect. So how you can use this effect: select your videos or just photos you like to edit, and I'm just going to select one video to add the transition. You can split the clip into some part. So for done, you are just going to go to transition and select the bubble, just for the duration, write out the clip, and see for the final result. Alright, I'm just going to combine with a video effect. Select original place 2, get the duration. This is the final effect you have on your video. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.